Hello, so to make this crochet mug rug you are going to need cotton yarn and a crochet hook. So first we are going to make 26 chains, and then we are going to start with the first row. In the first row we are going to do just single crochet, so pull your hook through the next chain, pull through, and again pull through. And that's the whole thing we are going to do in the first row, so just single crochet. When you get to the last chain, you are going to chain one and turn your work over, and then we are going to do also single crochet, but just in this back part of the chain. So you are going to pull your hook through just this back part of the chain and make single crochet in that back chain for the whole second row. When you get to the last chain, you are going to make again single crochet, and then you are going to chain one and turn your work. Again, in the third chain, you are just going to do single crochet into these back loops, and that is the whole thing you are going to do for this coaster. So it would look like it is ripped, so it will have ripped effect. So you just work into these back loops, and I did 17 rows of these single crochets. I will meet you when I do 17 rows. You can do more or less, depends on what dimensions do you want for your rug mug coaster. When you are done, you are just going to chain one and cut the extra piece, and then we are going to add the fringes at the end of the coaster. So to end fringe, you are going to cut a piece of yarn, and pull through the coaster. So you're going to take your crochet hook, pull like this, attached the fringe, and then just again wrap over and pull through. And you're going to do this for the whole coaster, and that extra piece that is hanging on the end of the work and the beginning of the work, you're just going to pull through some of the stitches and cut it. It looks like this, so now we are just going to brush it and style it with scissors. As you can see, it is really easy to do this crochet rug mug. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!